What's up, YouTube? Welcome to DIY Unlimited. My goal for this channel is if you want to create something, if you want to fix something, or if you want to improve something, that's my goal, is to make videos that anything related to those three things I want to make a video about and give people good content. And I really just want to have fun. Like, I don't care about anything else other than that. This is a hobby to me, so I appreciate you watching. It'd be great if you'd subscribe if you like my videos. That would mean a lot to me. But if you don't, no big deal. But I need your help. So if you have an idea and of something, it could be anything. Like, again, if you want to create, if you want to fix or make something better, and you want to see a video on it, I would love for you to comment on any of my videos. And anytime I find a good idea, I will give that person a shout out at the beginning of that video and be like, hey, so-and-so, shout out to so-and-so for giving me this idea. That's kind of what I want to do. So yeah, leave comments and let me know. But yeah, other than that, I wish you well, God bless, and I will see you around.